Hi everyone, this is Mr. Junior with your daily math activity for Tuesday the Sun, March 17th, 2020. I hope everyone is doing really well and staying really healthy. Now for today's activity, you will need a couple of materials. You're gonna need a paper like the one I have right here. You will also need something to write with. So you can use a pen like this one that I have. Or you can use a pencil. Make sure it's sharpened. Or you can even use a marker. Now, Mr. Junie is going to use a marker today, a blue marker, because, well, blue is my favorite color. Now, today you're going to go on a shape hunt. What are you going to go on? A shape hunt. You're going to look all over your home, all over your room for things that are different 2D shapes. And do you remember what a 2D shape means? Or what 2D means? It means flat. So, before we go hunting, let's go over our 2D shapes. What shape is this? What shape is it? A rectangle. How about this shape? What shape is this? An oval. How about this one? What shape is it? A trapezoid. How about this shape? What shape is it? A rhombus. How about this shape? What shape is it? A triangle. How about this shape? What shape is it? A square. Last one. How about this shape? What shape is it? A circle. Now that you know all of your 2D shapes, let's go hunting and I'll be right back. Let's go. Come on. Whew. Oh, I'm back with a bunch of objects. Let's go over my haul. Let's see. I found this object here. It's a box and I see a shape right here. I also found a notebook and I see another shape right here. I found this iPad just like on the ground. This iPad with this shape that I see. I also found a mirror with my name on it. I see another 2D shape right here. And I also found this old picture of me and my brother and my sister. Here's me. Here's my brother Scott. Here's my sister Michelle in this picture frame in this 2D shape. And now with these objects, you're gonna do 3 things. How many things? The first thing you're gonna do is draw and label your object. What's the first thing you're gonna do? You're gonna draw and label your object. Number 2, you're gonna think, what shape is it? What's number 2? You're going to, what shape is it? And number 3, you're gonna write down the attributes. What's number 3? Yeah, you're gonna write down the attributes. Now, let's go back to number 1. I'm gonna take my iPad and I'm gonna draw and label my object. So on my paper, I'm gonna draw my iPad real quick. Not gonna take forever. So here's my iPad. I know it has a screen like that with a circle right here. And I'm gonna label that object. I'm gonna write down iPad. I just did step number 1. I'm gonna draw and label my object. Step number 2, now I'm gonna think, what shape is my iPad? And how do I know it's that shape? Now, I know this iPad is a rectangle because it has very, very special attributes. First, I know it's flat. It's 2D. It also has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. It also has 4 sides. 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, and 4 sides. But wait, it could even be a square. It could be a trapezoid. It could be a rhombus. But remember, a rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. So here are the 2 short sides of a rectangle, and here are the 2 long sides of a rectangle. And it's a rectangle. Now, step 3, again, is to write down the attributes. So now I'm gonna write down how many sides a rectangle has and how many corners it has. How many corners does it have again? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. And then I'm also going to count how many sides it has again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. So what shape is it? It's a rectangle. You can also practice writing rectangle. You can sound it out, or your families can just tell you how to spell it. It's R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. It's a rectangle. So you're going to do that with all the objects you find, and you should at least have 5 objects. How many objects? 5 objects. And if that was too easy peasy for you, you can take it to the next level and look for 3D objects. That could be another challenge. Okay? So, happy hunting, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow for your next daily math activity. See you later.